Hello. I'm Caitlin Cash, the designer for the Black Hills Infosec prompt zine. I thought it would be interesting to share my process for how I do what I do, so I've been screen recording a lot of my work on this issue of the zine. This cover is going out this week, so what better time to show my work for it? I had really been struggling with the idea for this cover, and you can sort of see some of the discarded ideas, the big cats on the left there, and I cycle through a few other ideas as I go. I do love the animals, but I didn't want it to look like the animals were the ones being hunted. I ended up finding this stock image that gave me some major Nancy Drew vibes, which changed the tone from hunting for meat to hunting for clues. Much more appropriate. You can see I try to take some of those animal vibes into the new concept with those cat eyes over the human eyes. The style here is being influenced a lot by rock and punk iconography, and covering the eyes is pretty common. Here it's just a really great way to shift the focus from who is she and seeming like the star of the zine to just letting her be part of the page decoration. I ended up remembering we already have the perfect way to cover her eyes. The issue will be coming with a pair of 3D glasses to help hunt for clues to the puzzle inside. There was also a request to put what's on the inside on the outside, little teasers, taglines, things like that, which is different from our other covers, but I think it makes it look more like a magazine cover, which is pretty fun. That's what we're making, after all. The flowery brooch she's wearing, as well as the letters beneath it, well, we'll just have to wait to see what those are about. Another taste of hidden secrets inside. The last step was to take what I had and dirty it up a bit in Photoshop. Anything with a crisp, perfect line is now hand-drawn to add some life to an otherwise very cold digital piece. Some spatter, some halftone dots, a few overlays to make it look all weathered and aged. Personally, I really love this. It adds a really personal touch, and it takes it from being a very modern, crisp, clean, almost plain digital look to being weathered and almost retro looking. I think it adds life back into what was a very digital piece. It shows the hand of the artist more. I'm really excited to share this next issue with you guys, and even more excited to show the behind the zines a little bit. Until then, make sure you subscribe to the zine to get your completely 100% free physical copy with glasses and other goodies included. Link is in the description box, and subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss any behind the zines videos. Thanks for watching.